Hello friends, today in this video I will show you how to fix Windows 11 or 10 copy paste not working. Click on start, type here cmd, right click on command prompt, run as administrator. Now here guys you have to type this command cmd space slash c space quotation mark echo space off space this line space clip and quotation mark, then press enter. Now close and restart. So this way guys you can fix and resolve copy paste not working in Windows 11. Thanks for watching and please comment this video work for you or not, and please share, like and subscribe this channel for more useful videos.